I blew my Achilles, I think it was about 18 years ago. The Achilles tendon repair was great. It was the incision. The incision spread open post-op, and that was the wound I had.
When Mike came in, it was interesting. His wound had been open actually for 16 years. He had had surgery done on his Achilles tendon and it never fully closed, so he had kind of given up hope.
Had a disagreement in the follow-up treatment with the surgeon in question, which left me not only with a large wound in the back of my ankle, but a certain chip on my shoulder about my relationship with the medical profession.
He just thought this was the way it was going to be forever. So then he had gone to his primary care provider and had talked a little bit about it, and they referred him to the wound clinic.
I'm an avid bicyclist. I do ultra marathon, 100 to 250 mile off-road races, that kind of stuff. He was the first to explain to me that this was not just cosmetic, that it was throwing my body out of balance, and that my body was using a certain amount of energy 24/7, just keeping it where it was. I came here, frankly, with relatively low expectations. Again, I sort of carry that with me. Maybe not so much now. I figured it was worth a shot, right? I mean, it was nothing ventured, nothing gained kind of a thing. And I had this new stuff in my head about how it was affecting my athletic performance, not just the fact that I had to wear socks all summer.
He was unique in the fact that he just has really bad venous insufficiency, so when that happens, the valves don't work correctly in your veins, moving the blood back up to your heart, so you tend to have swelling. When you have that, it makes wounds on your lower legs really difficult to heal, and sometimes they occur spontaneously, but his was just difficult to heal because of that swelling.
I mean, this has been an amazingly positive experience, even if it hadn't worked as well as it did, because it's kind of fixed, which is kind of amazing. I think even if it hadn't worked, I would have still walked out here thinking that these are some really cool people and that this is a really positive experience.